Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 60. The part responsible for transmitting impulses to the cell body is labeled A, I, B, I, C, I, D, IV, and E, V. Like we know, this diagram represents the diagram of a neuron or a nerve cell, and it has several parts. I here represents the dendrites. I here represent the nucleus. As you can see, the nucleus present in the cell body. I here represent the myelin sheath. The myelin sheath. IV here represent the axon, and V here represent the Schwann cell. Now, each of these parts labeled has its own function. The dendrite, which is I, is responsible for transmitting impulses to the cell body. That is, impulses received from another neuron are being carried to the cell body of a particular neuron by the dendrite. So the dendrite transmits impulses. It transmits impulses to cell body. Now, I here, which is the nucleus. Like we know, the nucleus simply controls the activity of the nerve cell. Controls activity of nerve cell or neuron. Now, I is the myelin sheath, and the myelin sheath is responsible for what? For insulating the nerve fiber. That's the axon. Responsible for insulating the axon, which is the nerve fiber, and it also increases the speed of transmission. Now, IV here is the axon. The axon is responsible for transmitting impulses away from the cell body. So axon transmits impulses away from cell body. Then Schwann cell, which is IV, is the one that produces the myelin sheath. Now, from the question says the part responsible for transmitting impulses to the cell body, and that is dendrite, which is what? Option A, I. The dendrite is a nerve fiber that transmits impulses to the cell body, while the axon is a nerve fiber that transmits impulses away from the cell body. So the answer to this question is option A, dendrites. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.